Hi, Bryson. Bryson. Hi, Bryson. Bryson. Are you gonna roll over? Move, Cole. Whoa! You rolled over! Yay, Bry! Yay, Bryson! You rolled over. I think the first time he rolled over was last week. And now I got it on tape. We're still waiting for the rolling from the back to his tummy.